Good morning friend, this is your accountancy video. Today's topic is NEFT. NEFT is a one kind of electronic fund transfer. Its full form is National Electronic Fund Transfer. This service is available nationwide. Individual firms and corporate units can get the benefit of this service. यानी ये पूरे भारत में फैला हुआ है. This service is provided to the customer by participating bank in this scheme. It is not necessary to have a bank account of the sender to get the benefit of this scheme. यानी जो भी पैसा भेज रहा है उसका बैंक में अकाउंट ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है, पर जो पैसा ले रहा है उसका बैंक में अकाउंट होना चाहिए. For NEFT service, it is necessary to have a bank account of the beneficiaries in such a bank which provide this service. There is no limit on the account to be transferred because we can transfer in as use amount to any account. Okay, we can send the amount in any account. There is no any upper limit for the transfer of NEFT transactions. Reserve Bank of India has determined maximum charge for this service. Therefore, bank can give this service even free of cost, but it cannot charge many amount than more than the maximum charge. Means Reserve Bank has fixed the charge of NEFT transaction, so any bank cannot charge more than maximum charges. As per the present rule, NEFT service are available during 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. from Monday to Friday. On Saturday, this service will be available as per norms of respective period. Generally, the amount transferred in this way is deposited within the 2 hours in the account of the receiver. Means when the transaction is completed within the 2 hours, the amount is deposited in the account. Okay. There is no minimum or maximum limit of the amount for fund transfer under this service. Means there is no minimum limit or no maximum limit. We can deposit any kind of amount by NEFT service. Okay, Reserve Bank decide the charges of NEFT transactions. For example, Nilesh has an account in State Bank of India and Ramesh has an account of Bank of Baroda. Nilesh has to pay rupees 20,000 to Ramesh. Nilesh send this amount to Ramesh through NEFT. In such situation, bank will debit rupees 20,000 and NEFT charge from Nilesh account. Okay, Nilesh ने रमेश को पैसा दिया तो वो 20,000 नीलेश के अकाउंट में डेबिट हो गया और NEFT चार्ज भी उसको लगेगा because he is the sender. He is the sender. Nilesh is the sender. Bank debited rupees 5.70 from Nilesh account for NEFT charge and the journal entry is रमेश अकाउंट 20,000 ये रमेश को मिलेगा. बैंक चार्जेस ये बैंक ने ले लिया एंड टू बैंक अकाउंट ऑफ विच हुम बैंक अकाउंट नीलेश बैंक अकाउंट मीन्स 20,000 5 rupees 5.70 पैसा is deducted from the account of Nilesh and 20,000 is credited in account of Ramesh. Bank charges is 5.70 paisa. Okay. But in the book of Ramesh get only 20,000. Okay. So in his book, the amount is recorded by 20,000. Next, RTGS, its full form is real time gross settlement. This service is also provided by bank to their customer through electronic mode. This service is providing to the customer of the participating bank in this scheme. This service is used to transfer large amount. As per the present norm, the minimum amount is 2 lakh. Means if the amount is less than 2 lakh, we can't use RTGS. We can use RTGS above from 2 lakh. To get the benefit of this service. There is no upper ceiling of the amount, no upper limit, but minimum limit is 2 lakh. RTGS charge is paid to the bank by the amount sender. जो पैसा भेज रहा है उसको RTGS charge pay करना पड़ेगा. Therefore, this charge become an expense for the amount sender. This charge is bearing by amount sender, free of receiver. The RTGS service window is available from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. from Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday ये चलता है. This amount is transferred immediately or in maximum 30 minutes. NEFT deposited in 2 hours, but RTGS deposited in maximum 30 minutes. Okay. The Journal entry is same from RTGS of NEFT. Okay, students. A subsidiary book prepared to keep a record of cash transaction is cash book. How many types of two-columnar cash book can be prepared? 3 types: cash and bank, bank and cash and discount. Serves the purpose of journal and cash book. Cash book serves the purpose of journal and cash account. Which type of discount is not recorded in the book? Trade discount. When bank credit interest in our account, then bank balance increase. Which transaction are not recorded in cash book? Non-cash transaction. Okay. Question number 2, you have to write in your notebook. And question number 16 is your homework. Okay, student, till then, goodbye and complete your homework in regular basis. Okay.